If someone is struggling to get enough nutrition, fortified drinks are a great way to boost their diet. There's lots of different products you can use for this. Here we're making an iced coffee using AYMES Actagain 1.5 plant powered. Start by making a shot of your favorite coffee. Then add some ice to a glass. Next, pour your coffee over the ice. And then finally, we need to add our plant-based shake. Today, I'm using a salted caramel flavour. Pour this over the top of your coffee. Give it a stir, pop in your straw in, and there we go. Then it's ready to drink. If you prefer a hot drink, you can skip the ice and use a chocolate flavour option to make a mocha or vanilla flavour for a flavoured latte instead. It's great when everyday food and drink can provide everything you need. But if that's proving difficult, a supplement can help fill the gap and give intake a boost. I hope you found this video useful. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on living well at home.